2021. Now, they just reported last week on Thursday night, so today was our day to see the afterglow of trading Amazon after earnings last night. Now, Amazon did not announce a stock split, and that is why we didn't get any kind of tremendous pop during the day today. Like Apple, I just finished up an Apple video. Like Apple, it made a new all-time high in the after hours, all the way up at 36.67.66. But here in the light of the day, in session, it's only made a very nominal, slight new all-time high at 35.54. Amazon, once it finally breaks out of this cage that it has been in, going all the way back to last fall, you can see here was the all-time high that we finally just took out today, April 30th, made in September, when the whole market, while all of tech was rallying into the stock splits of Apple and Tesla, taking all the other members of FANG and the Momentum Group up along with it. That's where we hit the all-time high last summer, and it took us until April of 2021 to finally take that out. So it's been stuck in this range, and I do think that this range that has been stuck in, once it finally breaks out of it, will double up, and that's what's going to get us up here to the median line of this bull fork that it's in, which right now is about 41.25 and rising. And as we get as the bull fork continues to rise, we get to the top of this measured move target up here at about 42.17 to 42.18. That will take a double of this range that it is traded from the September all-time high to the back test low after that. If we take that whole range and double it up, that's what's going to get us up here to a measured move target of about 42.20 or so. About 100 points above where this median line hits now. So it would be hit the median line and maybe kind of crawl along the top of it until we hit that target. If it's going to sell off any further next week, let's take a little bit closer look at it. Obviously, what's going to be the thing that's going to save it are probably the 10 and the 20-day simple moving average plus this breakout line that it finally just broke out of, but there is a natural tendency to come back to kiss back and hold it and bounce off of it. If that's the case, then you just got to look for this 10 and 20-day simple moving average combination to hold, because here is that downtrend running right through the middle of them. And that's if it's even going to trade any lower than it has in this two-day stand here. The day going into earnings, it traded down to a low of 34.35. So I would say if you see a break of 34.35, that means it's going to make this move touching back here to the breakout line and the 10 and the 20-day simple moving average. But if you come in and you see it trading at 35.55 or higher, it's going to go and it's going to, at minimum, resolve this all-time high that it made after hours. And once we get a couple of closes in, say above 36.70 or so, then it's going to make that move up to 41.25 to 42.25 at the measured move target and the bull fork median line. If I'm wrong about this and we have some kind of like market-wide sell-off next week, then it's going to come down here and it's going to test the bottom of the fork and the 200-day and 50-day simple moving averages, which are coiled together. They're wrapped together, going through a series of bear crosses and bull crosses and bear crosses and bull crosses, just tangled up here for weeks on end, that basically the whole month of April. So if that's what it's going to take is one more move back down here to bounce off of the off of the 200-day and the 50-day simple moving averages, then so be it, and that would be a move back to about 3,200. Okay? Hope this video helped you out and gave you a good idea of where Amazon is at. As always, good luck and good trading.